Hello class, it's Demetria Davis reading my Unit 4 Educational Philosophy Statement. I believe that education is the foundation that is built on knowledge skills that is used to guide individuals to become prosperous and successful. Encouraging students to use problem-solving techniques that will be used for similar situations students will face outside of school. I believe to seek and provide growth in students and take the responsibility to make a difference within their education. Education will provide stability in students' life. Having an educational background will advance chances of career opportunities and ways of opening doors for myself. Education would be a way for me to keep striving to the top using my past experiences. I consider myself an old school learner and teacher. Although I'm pursuing my degree online, I would prefer the classroom setting environment. I believe the classroom setting gives ways of motivating students and having that face-to-face interaction to gain the students' attention better. A teacher, as a teacher, my approach to my students, I would use two techniques, which is scaffolding and mnemonics. Using this would allow me to break down learning into chunks for better understanding. This approach will allow me to use different phrases and flashcards to help students remember what they've learned. In education, my teaching style is traditional. I have the ability to incorporate teaching into providing students how to be self-actualization and promote self-learning techniques. This will mold students into developing strategies of critical thinking and ways of focusing and learning on objectives that they have learned and reaching their goals. Supporting my learning is established by a relationship with my students. Being able to work on their strengths and weaknesses rather than telling them what they're doing wrong is a plus. I would use the reward system method to show their progress in learning using shapes, pictures, and spelling checking techniques. Using developmental and social skills of all aspects of the curriculum that will allow them to identify their learning objectives as a part of their lesson. This concludes my Unit 4 Educational Bibliography Philosophy Statement. Thank you.